Welcome to today's lecture on snacking. So, what are today's takeaways? How snacking can make or break all your weight loss goals. Tips for evening snacking, low-calorie snack options, ways to help with snacking, and high-protein snack options. So, snacks can add up. And this is what a lot of people don't realize, is that snacking throughout the day can add a phenomenal amount of calories to your day. And it's like, majority of people don't realize it. It really can make or break your weight loss results. Those nibbles through the day truly add up. So, a few snacking tips. Out of here, we got 5 snacking tips. These often do the biggest amount of change, make the help in the most amount of people. And that's the wonderful things about using these 5 things. So the first one is your kitchen reorder. Remove all foods and treats that trigger snacking. So, if Nutella, if Biscoff spread, or whatever that may be within your cupboards trigger you, get rid of it, give it away, put it somewhere you can't see it, put it somewhere you can't think of, make your husband, make your wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever it is, hide it from you. Perfect. Then you're not going to have a temptation anymore. Second one is fruit proximity. The closer fruit is, the better for you. So that means that if you are craving, say, something sweet, grab fruit. Done. It's like, that's it. It's like, I want it. Eat fruit. Good. You're often going to find that it's going to solve everything you need at that time. Another one is, am I truly hungry? Everyone's like, of course I'm hungry. The best way to do this is ask yourself over 10 minutes. So if you still need food, then skip the snack and actually go and get food. It's that simple. If you are truly hungry. And the difference between hunger and cravings is the fact that hunger takes time to build. It's a series of processes within the body that slowly reaches a peak, and then you get, I'm hungry. So you've been feeling it occur. Where craving, it's walking around, doing work, boom, I've got something. It's an emotional attachment in a lot of things. It comes out of nowhere, out of boredom. There's so many triggers that can bring into the craving and wanting snacks. So it's like asking yourself, am I hungry, over a period of 10 minutes, and waiting those 10 minutes then allows you to truly distinguish between cravings and boredom, or am I hungry? And if you're hungry, then go and eat. Don't snack, because now you've just added things in. It's like, don't add things for the sake of adding. Another trick to try is note-taking. So note the times and motions that occur when the food arrives, or when the need arrives, should I say, and try and minimize this each day. So the nice thing to do is take a sticky note. So, like myself, sticky note, put it down, put the time, go, what's the feeling, why did it occur, and just tally it up at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, you go, I got 20 times that I wanted to snack today, and I caved in twice. Perfect. Tomorrow, I want 19 times that I thought of food, or less, and only caved in once. If you get twice, perfect, as long as the total amount of times keeps coming down over a period of time. And that's it. If Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you thought of food 20 times and had cravings for food 20 times and wanted to snack for 20 times, and you caved in 2 times, fine. But try next week, try and make it down. And over a period of time, you'll see there's going to be a big change. Another one is rigidity. So basically, set times when you eat so you can adhere to it. So it's like, I have lunch at 12. 12 every day, no matter what. And you make it happen. That way, when you see it's 11 o'clock, I've got an hour to wait for food, done. You're like, there's no point in snacking. I'm going to end up ruining my food. So that's how you do it that way. Or you're 30 minutes to it, or you're 2 hours away. So it's like, you can do it that way. And the rigidity part comes in very helpful with people who like to snack in general, because another aspect to bring into rigidity is increased meal frequency. So now with the increased meal frequency, you can go, hey, look, you have 4 meals to 5 meals in the day. And then if you space it every 2.5 to 3 hours, the time that they want to snack is usually not far away from when they want to eat. Perfect. You've now solved the issue. So, evening snacking. Look at those, the yummy cookies. When it comes to evening snacking, it's usually down to two things. Not enough protein in the day or emotional eating. That's literally what it comes down to. If you have a sufficient amount of protein in the day, you're going to be feeling full. That's like keep increasing your protein till you get that fullness factor. And if you remember back from the protein lecture, you're looking at anywhere from 1.8 grams plus is where you're going to get that. And the cravings usually often come from emotional parts. It's dealing with emotions. The workday is finished. Everything comes in. And when you start feeling it, and then it's like, all right, I need to get rid of this emotion. And that's usually when this starts to occur. And that's snacks, chocolates, popcorn, the likes. And it's like, deal with the emotions. And that's where we go back to the previous one and start writing these things down. Or start increasing protein. Or alternatively, put your meal towards the end of the day. Those are some ideas to help with evening snacking. There are ways to do it. If you are going to evening snack, as you can see here, you can use low-calorie popcorn. You can actually drink some milk, or chocolate milk, because I like chocolate milk, because it's actually low calories. You can have endama beans. You can have Halo Top as a prime example. Fiber One bars, Celeros, like very good ice cream. Then when you go into things like Greek yogurts and cottage cheese, so you can see here like 3 hard-boiled eggs at 21 grams of protein. So like now you have high protein snacks if you are going to snack. So it's giving you ideas of where we can go with this. Where 170 grams of flavored yogurt gives you 10 grams of protein. So it's like putting these into your day now allows you to feel fuller. It allows you to adhere to the diet better. And it also allows the ability to not snack in the day. So it's bringing that overall calorie consumption down. And that's a wonderful thing. So it's like using a combination of smart snacking, as in if you're going to snack, make sure it's low calories or high protein, works in a good position. Is it fiber? Perfect. Fruit? Great. Is the snacking being incorporated into your day? Yes. But if you're someone who completely over snacks all the time or so, then we need to take a look on why we're snacking. So, wrapping this lecture up, try to limit your consumption of snacks. If you're going to snack, aim for protein-based snacks. Pretty simple. Don't let your emotions dictate your eating. Understand if you are hungry makes a big difference. So basically have an understanding. Like, understand that if you are hungry, eat food. If you are not hungry, then don't eat food. If it's just a craving based on a terrible day at work, don't fill the void with food. And routine can play a big role in snacking. And that's the biggest thing. Routine truly plays a big role. You will see that people who work very structured days go from very unstructured days and their eating habits go out the window because now we don't have a balance here. So for a lot of people, putting that routine in place makes the biggest difference.